So what exactly is the raw food diet? It's a lifestyle where you eat mostly uncooked, unprocessed, and often organic foods. The idea is that cooking destroys natural enzymes and nutrients, so by eating raw, you're getting the most out of your food. Sounds simple, right? Well, it's definitely not without its challenges. I decided to try the raw food diet because I was feeling sluggish and wanted to reset my eating habits. I'd heard about the benefits, more energy, better digestion, and even weight loss, and I was curious to see if it would work for me. The first week was rough. I experienced what's called the detox phase. I had headaches, low energy, and intense cravings for cooked food, but I stuck with it, and by the second week things started to improve. My energy levels went up, my skin cleared up, and I felt lighter and more focused. One of the best parts of this journey was discovering new recipes. I fell in love with zucchini noodles topped with homemade pesto, and raw vegan cheesecake became my go-to dessert. I also started my mornings with a green smoothie bowl packed with fresh fruits and superfoods. Meal prep was key to staying on track. I spent Sundays chopping veggies, soaking nuts, and planning my meals for the week. It was time-consuming, but it made sticking to the diet so much easier. Now let's talk about the challenges. Dining out was tough. Most restaurants don't have raw food options, and social events, let's just say I got used to bringing my own snacks. There were also moments when I missed the comfort of warm, cooked meals, especially on cold days. By the end of the 30 days, I felt amazing. My energy was through the roof, my digestion improved, and I even lost a few pounds. But more importantly, I learned so much about my body and how food affects me. Would I do it again? Absolutely. While I don't follow a 100% raw food diet now, I've incorporated many of its principles into my daily life. I eat more raw fruits and veggies, and I'm more mindful about how I fuel my body. If you're thinking about trying the raw food diet, here are my top tips. Start slowly. Don't go all in right away. Plan your meals and prep ahead of time. Invest in a good blender and food processor. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Don't be too hard on yourself. It's a journey, not a race. Thanks for joining me on this raw food journey. If you've tried the raw food diet or have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health and wellness content. See you in the next video.